Hi guys, hi everyone. It's about time of the year where everybody celebrate. Celebration is here again. It's every year. It is Christmas period. Christmas time is here
Hey
again.
guys, look
Here,
how
this is my
massive.
Christmas tree. I ordered
You
it
can see the
two
length.
days ago
See?
and it just arrived. I'm
So
so
this is
excited.
Christmas
What do you
tree. I'm
think?
gonna be
UK Post is the
unboxing
best.
with you guys. Stay
Argue with
tuned.
me. If you think I'm right, comment on this
So
comment
let's go.
section. Like I said, UK Post is the best. I ordered it and it just says on the 2 days delivery. I said, okay, fine, no problem. Here I have it. My Christmas tree is just at my door, bright on my door, right on my face, and I'm so excited. Okay, I give glory to God. So don't get me wrong, like everything you have to implement, like prayers and all that. Yes, because you cannot judge because you don't go into people's mind. This time last year, I was just like, I was thinking about Christmas again because of what happened. No bad thing, but it was just my fault. But there is no there's no excuse for that. So it is done over now, but this is another year Christmas. So that's what I tell people. Christmas is every year, so don't buy yourself. So you want to make shopping, you want to please people, you want to do this, you want to do that, you want to buy this or that, and you're not able to do it, and then you are feeling down, feeling low because you're not able to meet up to the expectation of Christmas time. Don't worry, Christmas is every year. Click on my video, like and share, and subscribe.